Welcome to our lesson on fraction operations. Today, we'll solve various problems involving fractions using the methods of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, simplification, and comparison. Let's start with addition. What is 2/3 plus 3/8? To add fractions, we need to find a common denominator. The lowest common multiple of 3 and 8 is 24. Let's convert each fraction. 2/3 equals 16/24. 3/8 equals 9/24. Now, we can add 16/24 plus 9/24 equals 25/24. So, 2/3 plus 3/8 equals 25/24. Next, let's tackle subtraction. What is 5/9 minus 1/6? Again, we need a common denominator. The lowest common multiple of 9 and 6 is 18. Let's convert. 5/9 equals 10/18. 1/6 equals 3/18. Subtracting, we get 10/18 minus 3/18 equals 7/18. So 5/9 minus 1/6 equals 7/18. Let's move on to multiplication. Multiply 6/11 by 2/5. For multiplication, we simply multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. 6 times 2 equals 12 for the numerator. 11 times 5 equals 55 for the denominator. So, 6/11 times 2/5 equals 12/55. This fraction is already in its simplest form because 12 and 55 don't share any common factors. Now for division. Divide 7/15 by 2/5. To divide by a fraction, we multiply by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 2/5 is 5/2. So, 7/15 divided by 2/5 equals 7/15 times 5/2. Multiplying the numerators, 7 times 5 equals 35. Multiplying the denominators, 15 times 2 equals 30. Now, we need to simplify. We can find the highest common factor of 35 and 30. The HCF is 5. Dividing both by 5. 35 divided by 5 equals 7, and 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So, 7/15 divided by 2/5 equals 7/6. Let's now look at simplification. Simplify 16/20. To simplify a fraction, we divide both the numerator and denominator by their highest common factor, or HCF. The HCF of 16 and 20 is 4. Dividing both by 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4, and 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So, 16/20 simplified equals 4/5. Finally, let's compare fractions. Which is greater, 5/8 or 2/3? To compare fractions, we need to convert them to a common denominator. The lowest common multiple of 8 and 3 is 24. Converting 5/8. 5 times 3 equals 15. Over 8 times 3 equals 24. So 5/8 equals 15/24. Converting 2/3. 2 times 8 equals 16. Over 3 times 8 equals 24. So 2/3 equals 16/24. Now we can compare. 16/24 is greater than 15/24, so 2/3 is greater than 5/8. Let's summarize the fraction operations we covered today. For addition and subtraction, find a common denominator, convert the fractions, then add or subtract. For multiplication, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. For division, multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. To simplify, divide the numerator and denominator by their highest common factor, or HCF. To compare fractions, convert to a common denominator and compare the numerators.